Tubes and Hoses' patented cam crimping system is unquestionably the design of the future. So versatile, it completely obsoletes the old-fashioned box crimpers currently in use. It crimps metric or American fittings and performs several other functions as well. The following is a brief overview of the system of tomorrow. A factory-perfect air conditioning hose crimp. Another Tubes and Hoses way to fabricate air conditioning hose assemblies. Fabricating power steering assemblies can be both creative and extremely profitable. Crimp ferrules are available to recover almost any power steering stem. The cam crimping system is the easiest and quickest in the history of hydraulic hose fabrication. It is so advanced, you can crimp any type ferrule or any brand ferrule in the world. Its patented design and extensive selection of dies make the system totally universal. Extreme high-pressure 4-wire hoses can be crimped through 1 1/4 inch diameter. You, as a Tubes and Hoses dealer, can capture this very profitable market. Solve downtime problems related to hydraulic hoses in the most creative ways possible. Step-down or step-up crimps can be used in emergency situations. You'll be able to crimp any low-pressure, medium pressure, and special application fluid line. Another profit-making potential is fabricating battery cables, a crimp far superior to the usual procedure. The staking die system allows you, as a Tubes and Hoses dealer, to manufacture power steering assemblies entirely from raw material off the shelf. Special ferrules, tooling, and procedures allow you to accomplish successful repairs and profit your competition cannot imagine. Another Tubes and Hoses exclusive are the special dies for shaping Speedo cable. Other special dies will be available to dealers as potentials develop.